If today you hear His voice, harden not your hearts, harden not your hearts. If today you hear His voice, harden not your hearts, harden not your hearts. Come, let us sing joyfully to the Lord. Let us acclaim the rock of our salvation. Let us come into His presence with thanksgiving. Let us joyfully sing psalms to Him. If today you hear His voice, harden not your hearts, harden not your hearts. Come, let us bow down and worship. Let us kneel before the Lord who made us. For He is God, and we are the people He shepherds, the flock He guides. If today you hear His voice, harden not your hearts, harden not your hearts. The day you would hear His voice, harden not your hearts as at Meribah, as in the day of Massa in the desert, where your fathers tempted me. They tested me, though they had seen my works. If today you hear His voice, harden not your hearts, harden not your hearts. If today you hear His voice, harden not your hearts, harden not your heart.